Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase bass on HyperX Cloud 3 in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to open the settings of your device by pressing the Windows plus I on your keyboard. Then simply click on the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Now, when you are inside the sound settings, you just have to scroll down and click on the option of more sound settings. Now when you click on it, you will see this type of pop-up opening in front of you. Here select the option of playback, then select your headset and click on the option of properties. Now when another pop-up opened in front of you, you just have to go to the properties again, then simply open the enhancements tab and you just have to turn on the bass boost. Click on the option of apply and this instantly increases the low end frequencies. Now if you are not able to find the option over here, inside the system settings, simply click on the option of the search bar here on the top, then select the option of sound settings. Now here, when you are on this particular page, you just have to make sure that the output device, the input device, the system sound and this particular option is available, and make sure that your headset is selected over here and the volume should also be more. Now you just have to open the HyperX application. Here you need to go to your headset's settings and now you need to adjust the EQs, like you need to adjust the low frequencies. If it is low frequencies, simply increase it. The mid frequencies should be on keep balanced and the high frequencies should be slightly reduced. Now this makes the bass stronger without making the sound harsh. Now if the bass feels weak, you can turn off 7.1 surround sound. Stereo mode usually gives better and punchier bass. So you can just try all of these things and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.